Welcome children. In the last session we have completed worksheet 7. Today we will solve some word problems of worksheet 8. Okay, let's solve the following word problems here. Okay, see here, read the first question. Always while solving the word problems, first we have to read the problems carefully and understand and then go for solving the problem. Got it children? First one. There are 48,570 plants in nursery. Its adjoining nursery has 51,257 plants. Which nursery has more plants? By how much? See here, they are given two questions here. First question is which nursery has more plants and by how much? Okay, see here, the nursery, one nursery has 48,570 plants and the adjoining means beside, side adjoining nursery has 51,257 plants are there. Yes, out of these two, which nursery has more plants children? Check out the number here. First, to compare these numbers, first we will compare the 10,000 place. See here 4 and a 5 is there. This is a greater number. So, the adjoining nursery has a more plants. Got it children? Yes. In a solution part, the first one is the adjoining nursery has more plants. Got it children? Because it has a more plants than the nursery. Okay. Yes. Next, by how much means we have to write the number of plants in an adjoining nursery is 51,257 and the number of plants in a nursery is 48,570. When we subtract these two, we will get the adjoining nursery has how much plants more than the nursery plant. Got it children? See here, they are given the nursery plant and adjoining plants here. First, we are writing the bigger number plants. Bigger, that means the more plants has a adjoining nursery is there, no? That one we are writing on the top. Got it children? We are subtracting the bigger number from smaller number, isn't it? So I wrote the number of plants in an adjoining nursery first and the number of plants in a nursery second. Got it children? Yes. Now we have to find out the difference of these two. Yes. 7 minus 0 is 7. Then 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So I'll take a borrow. That means this 2 becomes 1 and the 5 becomes 15. Then 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 1 minus 5 is not possible. So I'll take a borrow. This 1 becomes 0 and the 1 becomes 11. Then 11 minus 5 is 6. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So take a borrow. 5 becomes 4 and this 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 8 is 2 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes, I got 2,687. Therefore, a adjoining nursery has 2,687 plants more than the nursery plants. Got it children? Yes. Again, we will move on to the second one. See here. In 2011, the population of a town was 5,75,890. If the number of males was 2,08,170, then find the number of females in the town. Yes, in a towns there will be a males and a female, isn't it? Here they are given the total population and the number of males are given. When we subtract these two, we will get the number of females. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now we'll go for solution here. Yes. The total number of population is of the town is 5,75,890 and the number of males. How many number of males are there here? 2,98,170 males are there here. Okay, when we subtract these two, we will get the number of females in the town, isn't it? Yes, subtract now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 5 minus 8 is not possible. Then 7 becomes 6 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 6 minus 9 is not possible. Take a borrow. 5 becomes 4 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes. I got 2,77,720. In 2011, the number of females in the town was 2,77,720. Got it, children? Yes. Now we will move on to third one. See here. Read the question carefully. How much more is 16,500 than 4,756? Yes, here they are asking 14,756 is how much more than the 16,500. That means when we subtract these two numbers, we will get the how much difference is there. That much of more is 16,500. Got it, children? Yes. Now we will do a subtraction. 16,500 minus 14,756. Okay. Now subtract. 0 minus 6 is not possible. Taking a borrow from tens place also is not possible. So we will go for 100 place. 5 becomes 4 and this 0 becomes 10. Now it is possible to take a borrow from tens place. So the 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 7 is not possible. Then this 6 becomes 5 and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes. That means, therefore, 16,500 is 1,744 more than the 14,756. Got it, children? Yes. Understand the question properly. See here. I'll give us some small example here. See here. How much more is 10 than 6? Yes. How much more is 10 than 6? That means when we subtract 10 minus 6, we'll get a 4. That means 4. That means 10 is 4 more than 6. Got it, children? 10 is 4 more than 6. Got it? Yes. Next, we'll move on to a fourth one. What must be subtracted from 5,25,873 to get 1,75,693? Yes. To solve this problem, we will subtract these two numbers first. See here, they are asking which number, when we subtract which number from this, we will get a 1,75,693. They are asking like this. When we subtract these two, we will get the number that we will do by difference. That means 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 9 is not possible. Then 8 becomes 7 and this 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 7 is not possible. 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. That means 3,50,180. See here. Therefore, when we subtract 3,50,180 from 5,25,873, we get 1,75,693. Yes, this is how we have done in our earlier classes. Check the answer, isn't it? I'll check here. Whatever we have done, no, I'll check this one by check the difference. Okay. Yes. See here. Here they are given 5,25,873. When we subtract this number, when we subtract 3,50,180, we will get this number. Yes, we have to get this number. Check out whether we will get this number or not. Okay. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 8 is not possible. Then take borrow. 8 becomes 7 and this 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9 and 7 minus 1 is 6. Then 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Then 5 becomes 4 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Yes, we got, no? See here, when we subtract 3,50,180, we will get 1,75,693. Yes, this is how we have done in earlier classes by subtract and check the answer. Yes, this is optional. You can write or you cannot. This is how we will subtract the number and we will find out the answer. Got it, children? Yes. Thank you.